Monero was sent off in 2014 with the basic objective of allowing the exchanges to happen with security and obscurity. As a private and decentralized digital money, it keeps its financial backers' resources secure and classified. With the straightforwardness of frameworks in a different resources that case to hide an individual's personality, it turns out to be not difficult to follow the first wellspring of installments. This is on the grounds that digital currency utilization is checked on them. Be that as it may, XMR tackles this by clouding shippers and the beneficiaries similarly as utilizing progressed cryptography. With the utilization of different protection improving innovations for obscurity, the producers of Monero have said that their main goal is protection and security, alongside simple ease of use and afterward effectiveness. Insurance is no different for all clients, independent of their mechanical capability. They mean to empower quick and reasonable installments with practically no gamble of control. Monero, XMR, Fundamental Analysis. Monero is the main cryptographic money known for its private and oversight-safe exchanges. Covertness addresses, ring signatures, and ringed are the innovations that conceal the personality of the source, collector, and the quantity of exchanges. They are unlinked to true characters and thus are untraceable. A genuinely fungible cache closes the shipper's concern of getting corrupted or obstructed. Being an electrical resource, its quick and reasonable exchanges can occur anyplace on the planet, as there is no requirement for check going through expenses, wire moves, numerous day holding periods, and phony chargebacks. It is additionally liberated from any legitimate locales and conventions, and protected from capital control because of genuine decentralization. Monero's grassroots local area requests to the best analysts and specialists connected with digital currencies. The task is the portrayal of the protection and security of digital currency, as its advancement group and exploration labs are ceaselessly attempting to accomplish them both. Around 500 engineers have added to its advancement from everywhere the world from the hour of its end-off. Different stages and discussion boards are accessible for joining and functioning, as the local area is constantly invited by them. How Monero works. There are many highlights that make Monero exceptional, and its decentralization is among the best among them, as clients don't have to trust anybody on this stage. Monero makes an honest effort to keep itself decentralized, utilizing an agreement system in light of a proof-of-work component called Kryptonite. It forestalls the mastery of enormous mining ranches. In spite of the fact that it was shaped on the fork of Bitcoin, it gets progressed through its CryptoNote innovation. The Ring Confidential Transactions, ringed, made in 2015, needs a multifaceted and unknown gathering mark that proficiently empowers stowed-away sums and the appearance or objective of the exchange. Monero likewise uses a covertness address to add greater security to the client's protection. This innovation haphazardly frames one-time addresses. It guarantees that the exchanges are not connected to one another at all. Beneficiaries utilize this to get installments to protect their unparalleled location on the blockchain. Within the site of this innovation, at whatever point a shipper sends XMR, the installments got are then moved to the extraordinary public location, with the confirmation that a client's wallet address could never be distributed on the blockchain. Discernibility becomes inconceivable for the wallet addresses, exchanges among clients, and highlights inside the XMR token itself, as fungibility is one of the elements of Monero. With fungibility, XMR is very like money, similarly as though you get $1 one day, you will get a distinctively esteemed dollar the following day. Fungibility alludes to this. It makes these resources replaceable and undifferentiated from similar class of different resources. Albeit other digital currencies like Bitcoin are additionally viewed as fungible tokens, XMR makes every one of the tokens similarly undifferentiated by darkening its exchange history of itself. Other than that, ring marks innovation is utilized for accomplishing confusion. Past results and exchanges are gotten from the blockchain and go about as baits, making it unthinkable for outside onlookers to distinguish the person. These unmistakable highlights have made XMR an exceptionally unapproved mode for exchanges, especially for the darknet markets, and legislatures of different nations have offered huge number of dollars to any individual who is fit for deciphering their code. Monero future plans. Prior to discussing what's in store plans of Monero, we can see the previous achievements from their old guides. In 2014, they sent off Bitcointic and changed BitMonero's name to Monero. They additionally distributed 3 exploration lab papers in 2014 and 1 out of 2015. The arrival of Hydrogen Helix, Wolfram Warp Tangent, Official D Beta 1, an organization update, and another exploration lab paper occurred in 2016. In 2017, they empowered ringed exchanges through an organization update and limited block size and dynamic charge calculation. The site was updated with the arrival of another examination paper. Lithium Luna and the new evidence of work Kryptonite v2 system were delivered in 2018. In 2019, the site got limited in German and delivered the Boron Butterfly. In 2020, the site was translatable on Weblate and the Dandelion++ convention got carried out. In 2021, an onion address got created for Monero's true stage and the P2 pool was delivered. Later on, they are wanting to send off Haveno. Haveno will be based on Tor and Monero and is a non-custodial decentralized trade for crypto and government-issued types of money. They likewise need to send off more bulletproofs that are short, unintelligent, no information confirmations without any need of a confided-in arrangement. Different plans are return addresses, second-layer answers for higher speed and adaptability, and 3-panel painting, which were logarithmic-sized linkable ring marks with applications. Monero, XMR, price analysis. The Monero cost is $193 right now, with an exchanging volume of about $205 million. The CoinMarketCap positions it at present at number 25. Presently it has a market cap of roughly $3.5 billion, with a circling supply of 18 million XMR coins. It has an excellent record concerning cost. Monero Price Prediction 2022. Our specialized examination of Monero costs has driven us to the supposition that Monero can have a most extreme value level of $300 in 2022. It is a result of the total security it gives, in contrast to some other such digital money. We likewise anticipate that the base cost of Monero should be $270 and the typical exchanging cost of $285. Monero Price Prediction 2023. By breaking down the costs of Monero in previous years, we expect XMR's base cost to be $330 in 2023. The typical cost can be $360. We expect the most elevated exchanging level of $400 this year as a result of its non-custodial decentralized trade, called Haveno. Monero Price Prediction 2024. Numerous digital money specialists anticipate that the cost of Monero should develop at an exceptionally fast. It might develop dramatically. In 2024, XMR costs might go as high as $550 and as low as $480 with the assistance of the second layer arrangement by sped up and adaptability. The typical exchanging cost expected is $520. Monero Price Prediction 2025. The cryptographic money can have a further flood in cost. This can occur with more bulletproofs, the no information evidences without really any need of a confided-in arrangement. It can have a greatest cost of $750 and a base cost of $650, with a typical exchanging pace of $700. Monero Price Prediction 2026. We anticipate that it should develop at the greatest cost of $900 and the typical cost of $850, as this decentralized trade will have an adequate number of organizations, coordinated efforts, and forthcoming mechanical advancements. Under destructive circumstances, the base cost can be $800.